Okay guys, you're welcome to today, and today we shall be doing on hacking. Okay, this is legal hacking. Okay, please make sure whatever you are doing on your lab, you are testing it on your own personal Wi-Fi. Okay, the one you know you have access and permission to do. Don't try this on someone else without permission. Okay, so I'll be doing this on my own Wi-Fi. I want to detect the password of my Wi-Fi on using my Linux. Okay, so make sure you have your adapter, and your adapter should be able to sniff packet, and it should go to be on monitor mode. So I'll open my terminal. Okay, now I want to check if it's be on monitor mode. Okay, it's already on monitor mode because I've placed it on monitor mode. Now if peradventure you want to place it on monitor mode, now what to do is this: you just your sudo airmo/ng starts. So you have to know your Wi-Fi. This is my WLAN 0. Okay, then my password to be on monitor mode enable. Okay, if I use iw config, it means I was already on monitor mode. Okay, now the next thing for me to do, I want to sniff all the Wi-Fi around me. So I have to do sudo airodump-ng WLAN 0. So I want to sniff. Okay, this is the network around me. This is my two Wi-Fi. I just have to stop it. So I already know the one I want to use. I want to check the password for this very Wi-Fi of mine. Okay, so the next thing for us to be doing is sudo airodump-ng /c, that is the channel. I have to check the channel of this Wi-Fi which I want to. This channel 11, because this is it, channel 11. Okay, that is channel 11. Then my //BSSID. I have to copy the BSS ID of this Wi-Fi. This is the BSS ID. Okay, copy the BSS ID, then paste it. Then my IW. Then I want to give it a word list name. Okay, I want to give it a word list name. I'll just give it a name that you know. You can give it any name. Okay, kill_Wi-Fi. Okay, then my WLAN 0. Okay, then sniffing all the network, all the system connected to this my particular Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi. These are all the systems that be connected to this Wi-Fi. This is my other system. This is my other system, and this is my phone. This is my phone. This is also the POX. So I'll be able to see all the networks. Now I want to disconnect one of them, so I'll be able to have the handshake at top of here. Okay, I want to disconnect one of them. So I open another terminal. But that is loading. I open that terminal. There my sudo aeroplay/ng/05/a. Then I copy the terminal, the BSS ID, which I already copied. I paste it BSS ID /c, that is the channel. They are not copy the station of it. Okay, this is station. This is the 30 station of it. That is 30. Then 03. Then I have the C8. Then I have the 66. Then I have the 05. Then I have the 07. Then my WLAN 0. Okay, then click on it, to my password, then authenticating. Just have to, okay, it's, let me type it again. Okay, so you can see it has brought out the handshake already. Okay, it has brought out the handshake, the handshake at top of here. Okay, so this is the handshake. So I've got the handshake. This is what I'm looking for. That's how I have to what the authenticate it. Okay, you have to what the authenticate it. That's, you have to disconnect one of it, so that once that system is connected back, then you now have the handshake in this your first terminal. So I come back to my first terminal. Then I do with my Ctrl+C, I do my LX, so I can see the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi was key. Okay, now I want to get the password. Now for me to get the password, I have to make use of my what Aircrack-ng. Then I have to go on sudo Aircrack/ng. Then I have key underscore Wi-Fi. This is the key. We are using this. Okay, we are using this. That is the key underscore Wi-Fi /01.cap. Okay, .cap /w, then /user /share /wordlist, then / your raw queue. Okay, .tst. Then you take your enter. You can see immediately he have detected my password. This is the password which I use on my Wi-Fi. So I've detected my password as easy as that. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button also. Please make sure you are following us to always get a maximum and profitable update from us. Thank you guys for staying tuned.